All right, let's go over the EPs for week three. This is the busiest week of earnings season. Very, very easy to overtrade this week because there's so many earnings reports. You can really your head can spin a little bit, so you gotta kind of avoid disaster in trading too much. But let's go over the EPs. So the first one was Airbnb. This came out with earnings. Um, I didn't think the earnings was that good, but it did have really nice follow through, really good volume. You can see it gapped up 8% and went up 8% on the day. However, the earnings was just okay, showing profitability 14% surprise and 17% year over year revenue. That's just decent to me. Next one is apps. So this one's kind of a turnaround company. It's been down for, it went on a run in 2021 and then it's been down, kind of going sideways. Software is in theme right now. Gapped up here for an EP and then uh, gapped up, let's see how many, 25%, and it's been moving higher since the earnings was good. Next one is CRSR, Corsair. This one had good earnings as well. Really good EPS year over year and big surprise of 229%. Gapping 17% and it's up 17% on the day. Halo, another one. Um, Good earnings. Biotech's also been in theme, gapped up all-time highs, I believe, and 48% EPS, 25% surprise, and 48% year over year revenue with a 17% surprise, and gapped up 6% and went up 13% on the day. Life, this is my favorite EP of quarter so far. Um, this one, it doesn't show here, but it was the year over year revenue was over 100%, and the previous quarter was also over 100%, and then you can see the surprise of 43% year over year EPS, and then 62% revenue surprise. But the big thing was the guidance. Big time guidance, 160 versus 119 for the quarter, and 727 versus 561 for the year. Um, this one, this one was low volume, and it did go down 13%. So I was in it from open, and then I got stopped out. I got shaken out. But what I'm really looking for is this to tighten up and go into all-time highs, and I'm gonna buy a lot of this if I can get a big position, because I think this has potential to double, potentially even triple. Um, so that's my best idea right now. Um, and I think it's the best report of the quarter so far. Next one is Pays. Um, let's see this one. PAYS. This one had good earnings as well, 450% EPS, and then 48% year over year revenue, and It was a nice one, up 24% already in just 2 days. The gap was not too big, about 8%. Now it was low volume in the pre-market, but you can see it's been on a nice uptrend and gapping to, I think it's all-time highs. Let's see, not all-time highs, but definitely highs within the last 5 years or so. Um, it's a nice one. Palantir, this one, this one was really had some really nice follow through. So Palantir had good earnings, 156% year over year, 93% year over year revenue, gapped up 15%, and we are up 18%. Had a nice kind of pull in here, and then moving further on volume. So it's showing strength. Um, this type of chart is going to pop up on everybody's watch list. We'll see if we backfill a little bit and then move higher. But this one's definitely going to be on everybody's radar. Last one was Pubmatic. So technology and healthcare have been the main themes that have worked so far. And PUBM had good earnings, 140% year over year and 300% surprise. And they did improve on their revenue. Nothing out of this world. Kind of a big gap. The gap was 26%, but it went up 7% from open. So a decent one. It has been moving lower, but it's gapping over recent price action of, you know, over 1.5 years. All right, those are the EPs for this week 3. Next week, it'll still be active, but it'll be dramatically less earnings reports. Still enough to probably trade once at least, um, once on average daily. I would say there's going to be 5 trades available, whether that's all on Tuesday, all on Wednesday, whatever it is. There'll be 5 trades next week. So thanks for watching. Uh, have a good weekend.